So stop being such a tight twat. Get yourself on Spotless Water. Hello, it's been a tough old month this month, I tell you. 2 bank holidays, and then, I don't know if any of you guys suffer from this, but back spasms. 3 days out with a back spasm. That's a lifetime of manual work and a bit of sport as a youngster. But so yeah, in effect, I only worked three weeks this month, but managed to duck and dive and do okay. Didn't lose, no deficit this month, and had a stonker last month. So all's good, still on track for the year. Audio books. The one I'm listening to over and over again at the moment, it's a few years old, but it's an absolute cracker. Morgan Housel, The Psychology of Money. There it is. You want to get yourself on that, get it in your van, listen to it a couple of times. A real cracking book. Nice eye-opener towards money, finances, life. It's a really nice book to listen to. And the narrator's good as well, which makes a massive difference. Anyway, Spotless Water. What do you think of it? I love it. I absolutely love it. I think it's a fantastic business. And you think about it, the amount of people, when I speak to people, go, oh, too expensive, too expensive. Shut up. Have a word with yourself, right? So if you take into account how much it costs you in replacing filters and resin throughout the year, then take into account how much time you waste hooking up at a job, disconnecting at a job. You add that time up during the week, the month, the year. I reckon every week, by not having a hookup on the job and using Spotless Water, I reckon I do probably 3 extra jobs, at least, maybe 4 or 5. So it's probably around 90 to 150 pounds a week extra that I'm doing by not having a hookup to somebody's outside tap. So I spend personally probably about 40 to 50 pounds a week at Spotless Water. Don't waste your time hooking up at people's houses or jobs or whatever. Just get yourself on Spotless Water 24/7. Key fob, any time of night, all day. Go and get hooked up and fill up. It's a fantastic business. I can't recommend it enough, and I think it's revolutionized the way that I run my business, Spotless Water. If it works for me financially, it's got to work for everyone else, isn't it? I'm just a Joe average window cleaner. It works for me. So get yourself on Spotless Water. Stop being a tight twat. It's much more cost effective to use Spotless Water. Anyway, I'll see you next week. Bully out.